I'll guide you through transferring money from Cash App to Chime without waiting days for your funds to clear or encountering a bank not found error. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. Open Cash App and tap the Money tab in the bottom left corner to access your balance and banking settings. Tap on Linked Banks and select Link Bank to begin connecting your Chime account to the app. Choose Add Debit Card and enter your Chime card details to enable the fastest possible instant transfer speeds. If your card doesn't link, tap No Card and use the search bar to find Chime via Plaid, which allows you to sign in with your Chime credentials for a secure direct connection. Return to the Money tab and tap the Cash Out button to initiate the transfer of your available balance. Move the slider to choose the exact amount you want to send and then tap Cash Out at the bottom. Choose Instant to move the money in minutes for a fee between 0.5 and 1.75%, or select Standard to send it for free if you don't mind waiting 1 to 3 business days. Confirm the transaction using your PIN or Touch ID to finalize the move and push the funds into your Chime account. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.